Hello! In this video I will show you how to install ChatGPT widget on Blackview A80s. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Wooly AI and click search, and now click install. Now click open, then click got it and click on this button to skip introduction, and then click not now and click open permissions. Now you have to allow this app to display over other apps and then click back, and now click back again and you can open this app. Then click start, and as you can see right here there's my ChatGPT widget and I can open him and I can tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded. And if you want to remove him from your screen, simply drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.